Okay, so the beans I'm sowing today are Bunyard's Exhibition. I always find these are really good. I've never had any problems with them. Really sturdy plants, and off we go. So, just going to fill some compost into the tray. So, I use homemade compost. Really simple. Beans always grow well in this. Nice and cheap as well. Don't want to spend lots of money buying bags of compost. Just pop in some beans. So I put 8 per tray. And I think that normally gives them enough space to grow really strong and healthily. Okay, Kat? Good. Okay. So simple as that. Handful of compost over the top. Just want to cover the top of the seeds. Perfect. That's it. That's all I need to do. So I'll label them up. I'll give them a little bit of a water in, and I'll put them in the greenhouse where it's nice and sunny. And soon the shoots will appear, and then I'll have some lovely broad beans.